Hey guys, I'm Raul Morales, buyer's representative and founder of Mycasa Real Estate, where we have access to every property in the region and we save you money, time, and effort. Let's see what our property specialist Peter has for us today.
Thank you, Raul, and let's see what property we have for you today. Escape to paradise with these Ocean View Condos in Playa del Carmen, brought to you by Mycasa Real Estate. Enjoy breathtaking views of the Caribbean from the comfort of your own home, with each unit boasting a stunning ocean view from the slightly elevated building. Located between the famous 5th Avenue and 10th Avenue, and just a short stroll away from the Grand Coral Golf Course and white sandy beaches, this is the perfect place to call home. Each unit is fully equipped with modern kitchens, air conditioning, and stunning finishes of first-class materials, including light porcelain tiles and chikun and marble bathrooms. Enjoy additional amenities like a rooftop garden, covered parking, Sundeck, infinity pool, bar, dining room, and a grill with a pergola. Prices start at $175,000 US. Contact Mycasa today and start living your dream life by the ocean.
Well, if you have any other questions, please let us know. I'm Raul Morales, buyer's representative and founder of Mycasa Real Estate. Thanks for watching, and let's be neighbors soon.